yeah, this morning we went over all the floor plans for the bathrooms now that we've finished the kitchen floors and the main floor of the house. So I brought to the tile team a diagram which has the names of every tile per bathroom, the floor tiles, the wall tiles, how to do the installs, the directionals, and then the grout colors. There were a few colors of grout that we hadn't selected in the showroom, so we did a little diagram on the floor. We decided for the more creamy colors to go with the color matched grout, and then for the accent walls over here, which each bathroom is going to get a different accent wall, we're doing the bright white. So the dark blue is going to get the bright white in between, the pale gray is going to get the bright white, and then the white will get bright white. Once they get grouted, the grout is actually going to just be 1/16 of an inch, so you're barely going to even see any grout, and you'll just see a nice relief of color against the more neutral walls. These tiles are from Walker's Anger, and they're all porcelain. This floor tile has a nice finish, so it's non-slip, and then the walls are polished, and they're supposed to look like a natural stone, but they are porcelain. The way we do it is we'll walk through the showroom and kind of let them pull things that they gravitate to, and then with the salespeople, we push them into colors, schemes. I like to try and keep it so that some of the elements in each bathroom are the same. Like here, all the bathroom floors are the same. And then we just made changes per bathroom. So like here you could see there's this tile for the walls. This is the ivory color. There's also a gray version, which we could go upstairs and see it, but there might be one here. No, this is the ivory. We'll go upstairs to the bathroom that they're laying out right now. So these two subways, the tan and the dark blue, are going with the ivory colorway, and then the white and the light blue are going to go with the gray walls, which is the same tile family as this, but just in the other colorway. So you have like a color scheme and a feeling through the bathrooms, but you get a different feel as you walk into each room based on the colors that she selected for that person's bathroom. And in this house, it's a family house. So there's 2 bathrooms that are for her sons and then 2 that are guest bathrooms. And so, she went with the blues for the boys. And then for the guest rooms, she went with the more neutral palettes of the white and the beige. So here, if you come up, I'll show you, they're starting to lay out one bathroom right now. So in here, they've already started sorting the tiles so that they can match the grain as they go up the wall. These are going to be installed vertically. So he's already started pulling these to make sure if you flip this, it would line up nicely. And then in the bathrooms, the way they're laying it out, he hasn't started yet. But they're gonna start with the floor in the shower, and he's gonna cut diagonals into these larger format tiles to make the angle to the drain, so that the main floor and the bathroom floor are the same, but when he cuts the angles in, he'll be able to use it in the shower. So this wall is in every secondary bathroom shower, but 2 bathrooms have the gray and 2 bathrooms have the tan version of it. And both colorways are using the same floor. The floor is like it can gravitate gray or creamy based on the other tiles that go against it. But yeah, this is the floors, and then those are the walls, and the walls are going vertically installed, and then the subways are going horizontally installed. Inside the shower, you're gonna go the long way of the shower, and then when you're in the bathroom part, you're gonna go parallel to the vanity wall. You're gonna turn the direction.
So like we talked about before, we're going.
Yeah, like we talked about before.
We're going that way with the shower floor.
Yeah, so like if this was the shower floor, you're going this way, and you're gonna cut it, and then when you go into the bathroom, you're gonna turn it this way.
So we got, the way it measured out is half a tile, full tile to the ceiling.
Great.
All right? This is full tile all the way to the end of the curb.
Perfect.
This is center here, 7-inch cut on this side, 7 on this side, which will run.
Oh, run into the floor. That's great.
It'll run 7 inches here, 7 in there.
Perfect. You won't even see this side because it'll be behind the vanity.
Yeah.
And then this is gonna be a curb. This is gonna be a quartz curb.
Yeah.
So you guys are just gonna have to give me a measurement so we send it to Oscar to cut it. And we're gonna do a soapbox in this wall.
Okay.
You're gonna just cut the hole. You're gonna then give us the size of the hole, and we're gonna have it made with quartz, and then slide it in.
Oh, okay.
But you still have to waterproof it with
This
just
will
with the
be-
gravy.
This is my full tile here, and then it goes another 23 inches, so.
That might be a
we
little
can either put it
low.
half. I like to have the box even.
I know. I was thinking that
Instead
does
of
look
having a 2-inch
nice.
cut here, and you know, it should be, if you can get full around it,
Agreed. I wanted
It
it
would
to
be
be
awesome.
24 high if possible.
that'd be great, because then you could just go either this mark, which is probably too low,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That one's
all right,
a
and then
little
we go to
low.
the next 23, and this 23 would be up to here about.
Oh, this is your 23 line? Yeah, that's the perfect
This is
height.
the ending, that's a line right there. That's
That
an
is.
ending joint right there, it goes across.
Okay,
So it's 20, I don't have my tape on me, it's 23
to there.
to there.
That's
whatever.
perfect. So you could put it right here.
And you-
This house, the customers that we're building for, the husband and wife wanted their own bathrooms. So we have this bathroom suite that has their two closets, his and hers, and then this is his bathroom. Over here has his own shower, vanity, toilet, and then you have her bathroom right here, which has space for the soaking tub, the shower with rain head, massage sprays, little toilet room over here. We're currently getting ready to tile in here, so they're putting down the Ditra mats. It's gonna have heated floors. And these two bathrooms are getting porcelain slabs, 60 by 120s. So they'll have big slabs up and down the walls to finish the bathrooms out. When I come to the field, I like to have something written down so I can leave it with the tile team. You can actually see the plan that I left for them. It's sitting on the roll of Ditra out there. But essentially it has a little schematic of each bathroom, and then I, on here, write which walls get which tiles, includes the directional install, the tile name so they know off the boxes what to pull, and then the grout color that's gonna be going into there. When I was doing this in the office, I didn't have some of the grout selected yet from when I was here with the customer a few weeks ago. So when I got here, I pulled out the tile samples, sent her some pictures, and we did a few modifications, which I'll now go back to the office and re-update these and send them out to the field. Ocean gets ivory also. So this goes in the ocean and the one downstairs. You want me to email you the updates,
Yes.
right?
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
That'd be great. This way, then I just have it on my phone and easy access.
Okay, and if you end up needing more Ditra or that stuff, let the guys know and
Okay.
we'll order
Yeah,
that for
I
you.
think-
I think it's the floor tile from down there. It's either that or the floor tile from the bathrooms. How long you think till you finish these bathrooms?
I think I probably like 2 or 3 days in advance.
Did
But
you-
there's
Oh,
probably,
good.
I would say by next week we'll be needing it, I'm sure.
You'll be finished? Oh, be
Oh,
needing
no,
the
we'll be
master.
needing that, yeah.
Okay,
And then by the end of that.
great. And I'm gonna send the fireplace with it because it's all just slabs. Yeah.